So let's see what's inside the box. This is the VXR10. We have some cards inside. Happy, not happy. Some useful information for you to know, and a user manual. So inside the case we have a beautiful leatheries, if you want to say, ports that you can take your system inside. We have a cable for the DSLR that has 2 and 3, and we have one that is for the phones that you can use on your phone, basically, with an adapter on the iPhone, and normal with a Android phone. So we have inside here 2 holders for the device. One is the original one, and we have an upgrade, and we have the main product. This is the microphone itself, as you can see, and we have a wind protector. So let's do something different. We're gonna connect the microphone to the camera and see how it sounds like. So let's go for that. So this is the sound from the Movo 1 2 3 1 2 3 test, and this is the sound of the studio microphone. This is the sound of the studio microphone, and this is the sound of the Movo. What do you think, guys? So let's go again. This is the sound of the microphone, studio microphone, and this is the sound of the Movo VXR10. So we did the sound test of the VXR10. What do you think, guys? I believe it's very useful, and it's making the sound of the voice quite nice, and it's quite small and handy, and of course you can connect it to your phone if you do vlogging with your phone. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.